Feeling overwhelmed by your Instagram DMs? Keeping track of who said what can be a challenge, right? But what if you could make your conversations crystal clear and so much more personal? Today, we're diving into a simple yet powerful Instagram feature that will transform how you chat. It's called the reply feature, and it's a game changer for keeping your direct messages organized and easy to follow. Here's how it works. Open any of your direct message conversations, find the specific message you want to respond to, and all you have to do is swipe left on it. See that? A small arrow appears, and a reply box pops up right above your keyboard, quoting the message you're responding to. Now, simply type your reply. It's directly linked to the original message, so there's no confusion about what you're addressing. And just like that, your reply is sent. Perfectly contextualized, it makes following the conversation effortless, both for you and the person you're chatting with. No more scrolling endlessly to remember what was said. This feature ensures every response is understood, building better connections and showing you're truly engaged. Start using the reply feature today and enjoy smoother, more enjoyable Instagram chats. For more tips to elevate your social media, be sure to subscribe.